Yo friends, nice to see you. It is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to roast corn with mala sauce. Hope you like it. You can eat a large plate of corn if you cook it this way, so remember to learn how to make it for your family. Welcome to subscribe my channel, so you may refer back when you need cooking inspiration. Let's cook together. Roast corn with mala paste. Corn, remove outer layer. Cut corn into small pieces. Steam corn for 10 minutes. Remove corn from steam pot. Mix with mala paste. Oven roast corn for 5 minutes. Corn is roasted, smells so good. Mala corn is ready to be served. Spicy corn is really delicious. The fresh and sweet corn goes really well with the spicy aroma. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day. Right. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. Thanks for watching. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future.